Just getting ready to do some work in my car, and I want to cover a couple of things first before I get started, and that is around safety. Just please be very careful when you're working on a car, especially, you know, there's just lots of areas that can cause problems. One thing you want to make sure is, you know, never depend upon your jack to hold up a vehicle. Get you some jack stands. Get you a wheel chock to hold the front and the back tires. I use one. You know, if you want to use multiple, that's certainly area for safety. You know, hearing protection, especially if you certainly want eye protection as well at all times, and gloves. I use these nitrate throwaways, and I'll usually put another pair on with them. All right, I'm getting ready to replace the headlights in my Ford Expedition. So here's the new ones. You can see how pretty they are. And now this one over here is the worst one. I have tried to clean them up, but just hasn't had much luck. So I guess it's mostly on the inside. So those look too difficult. I got two bolts here to take off, and then by looking at the other one, I think it's just going to pull out after that. So I'm by myself, so I'll tell you what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to do it, and then I'll show you if I have any problems with it. Be back later. Alright, so these bolts are 10 millimeter, come out of here, the gauze holding it on. Took me a little while to figure out how I was going to yank it out of there, but as you can see, there's really nothing else. So what I ended up doing was grabbing it over here on this side and pulling it, you know, this way, kind of thing. So those came out. Once those came out, it was real easy then. So grab it on the side, pull it towards you, and you're good to go. All right. So now the next thing we're going to do is just take out these plugs here. I think you can see that down there. Yeah, it's just that. I can get my finger on it with these gloves. There we go. Just these black plugs here, and these. Broke that one off. That's always the fun part about this plastic stuff. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm gonna get both my hands in here so I don't break the other one off, so at least I have one holding it on. I guess I could just take the bulb out of that one. And then we'll get started. Your headlight bulb is in here. I'm gonna take this out because these are some new ones. And I don't think this one, it may have come with some, but these are some of the high intensity kinds, so I'm going to put those back in. Alright, so more later. And here it is, all pretty and nice and pretty and shiny. So just snug these two bolts up when you get it back in there. And your adjustment screws are usually Phillips screwdriver for that one, and this one like some kind of a little wrench. I'll have to figure that out. But I won't do that until later tonight when it gets a little bit darker, and I'll make a video on that and post it as well. Alright, got any questions, let me know. I appreciate it. If you enjoy this, please like the video, and maybe even join my channel. I appreciate that as well. Thank you.